Imagine having a personal assistant that knows almost everything in the world. An assistant that can write essays, compose professional emails, write programming code, plan your vacation, or even teach you quantum physics in simple words. All of this available 24/7. Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence. In this video, we are diving deep into ChatGPT, the world's most popular AI tool. Whether you're a student, a working professional, a programmer, or just someone curious about technology, this video is your ultimate step-by-step guide. By the end of this 8-minute video, you'll know exactly how to use ChatGPT like a pro to save hours of your daily work. Let's get started. First, let's understand what ChatGPT actually is. Developed by a company called OpenAI and launched in late 2022, ChatGPT is a large language model. Think of it as a super advanced computer program trained on massive amounts of internet text. Unlike traditional search engines like Google that give you a list of links, ChatGPT actually understands your questions and replies to you in a human-like, conversational manner. You type a message, and it talks back to you just like a highly intelligent friend. It remembers what you said earlier in the conversation, allowing you to follow up with more questions and refine your results. Accessing ChatGPT is incredibly easy and entirely free. Let's walk through the sign-up process together. Open your web browser on your computer or smartphone and go to chat.openai.com or simply type chat.com. Click on the Sign Up button. You can create an account using your email address, or you can quickly log in using your existing Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Once you complete the verification, you'll be greeted by this clean, user-friendly dashboard. No complicated setups, no hidden menus. Just a simple, elegant interface designed to get you started immediately.